there, lovely viewers! Today, we've got an exciting review that's all about achieving that flawless skin glow. We'll be diving into the world of skincare with a comparison between two popular bleach products, Blesso and Care Bleach, and a game-changer in skincare, Glamish Skin Polish. Alright, let's kick things off by talking about these two bleach products, Blesso and Care. We're not here to apply these products to our skin today, and there's a good reason why. Many people have used it. However, we've heard concerns about its harshness on sensitive skin, and it's not suitable for everyone, which is why we haven't applied them today. But don't worry, because we've got something amazing to introduce to you. Enter Glamish Skin Polish. This product has been gaining a lot of attention recently for all the right reasons. Let me tell you, it's a game changer, especially for those with sensitive skin. Glamish promises to deliver outstanding results while being gentle on the skin. So, if you've been hesitant to use traditional bleaches, this might be the solution you've been waiting for. Now, let's delve into why Glamish Skin Polish is making waves in the skincare world. Glamish also comes with clear and easy-to-follow instructions, ensuring a hassle-free application process. Alright, let's put Glamish Skin Polish to the test. I'm going to apply it on my hand to show you the results. You can leave it on for 15 minutes for a quick glow, but if you have sensitive skin, consider leaving it for 30 minutes for even better results. I've applied it for 15 minutes. Now, let's see the results. Just look at that instant glow. You're going to love this product because it gives you an instant glow, and you won't need to waste your money and time at the salon. You can buy the Glamish Skin Polish online, and its price is just 585 rupees in Pakistan. The link is included in the description for your convenience. That's it for today's review. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!